I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And we are at Toy Fair 2019 getting ready to see what's new from Jakks Pacific.
Here is Pinata Fiesta. There's a party in every pinata and it can be used again and again. There's a Pinata Fiesta activity set where you can decorate, smash, and get surprises. Isn't this adorable? Here are the collectibles. They're charms you can use to make bracelets, and you can store them inside the rainbow jewelry box pinata. Look for these collectibles hitting shelves fall 2019. Pinata Fiesta!
Chocolate poop maker, because who doesn't love toilets and what goes in them? They're stinking cute. These are chocolate treats that you can use a toilet to make molds so you can eat them, and they have very fun shapes. So it comes with a chocolate packet that you melt with warm water. You place it inside of this little applicator here, put it inside of the toilet. There is a chocolate mold that goes underneath. Use the plunger to squish the chocolate out and make your stinking cute treats. Make it, plunge it, eat it. Who's your llama? These are adorable little llama themed collectibles, and they come with their own house. They're all surprise boxes, so you don't know who you're gonna get. You might get this adorable little cutie right here, Trauma Llama. There are also minis and plushies. These are available now on Amazon and at Walgreens.
Squish Delish, some of our favorite squishies are now on season 8. Jumbo squishies are on season 3.
Harry Potter! These wizard training wands are out now, but this spring they will have an interactive playset where you can use them to do spells and make magic. No, not really, but it's really cool! Ventus! I did that! This is the Great Hall. We have little figures and you can move them. There's even a sorting hat. There's a tiny Ollivanders, and of course, Quidditch. And the collectible wands are now on Series 3. Maybe I'll be lucky enough to get something other than Ron's. This fall, you can also find Hedwig, which is an interactive owl with over 12 lights and sounds. The Little Mermaid turns 30 this year, and what better way to celebrate than with a giant Ariel? She is fully articulated with movement at the shoulder, elbow, and wrist. Look at those eyes. And you can get the perfect mermaid look with the Ariel Vanity playset. You know Frozen 2 is coming out, so wouldn't it be awesome to have your own giant Finn? Standing at about 3 feet, he's furry and his head moves. You can feed him a carrot, and a small human up to 70 pounds can ride on his back and ride through Arendelle. Slap Ninja Fall 2019. Oh! Come on! I got you! No! Looks like there's some great stuff coming out this year from Jakks Pacific.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye!
You organize the future, and if you're down for it, yeah, I could take you in. But if you're not a fighter, I can't promise anything.
I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And we are at Toy Fair 2019 getting ready to see what's new from Snapstar. Each doll comes with their own doll stand and green screen. 6 dolls to collect, and each one of them are fashion influencers. This fall, they will be introducing a photo studio with a larger green screen and accessories. They will also be featuring new themed accessory packs with items like this trendy luggage set. They will also have wig packs so your dolls can rock a new look every day.
These dolls launched in January, and we love the idea of using green screen for doll photography.
The elusive Izzy. She's available online at Walmart right now and will be hitting shelves August of this year. I am super excited for 2019.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye! I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And we are at Toy Fair 2019 getting ready to see what's new from Epoch Calico Critters.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right.
The Village is getting a new pizzeria. There are fantastic little details in this playset. I can see a table and chairs and pizza. There is even a place for them to make the pizza. Check out that pizza oven. The nursery series has new blind bags available in stores now, and there are some really great playsets. They've got little rides. And check out all of the detail on this Ferris wheel. I can see musical notes and everything. We're gonna have a lot of fun adding to our village. And then we can go to town. We all know that Stella has moved to town, and now she has an elegant town manor. You can combine it with her designer studio and decorate it with home decor. And Stella even has a new friend. You can expect to see these in stores in August. Thank you for joining us while we checked out what's new from Calico Critters.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Let's